Alright, y'all, so this a land, I think this is a Land Cruiser right here. Land Cruiser, I think that's what this is. Safari type Land Rover. Safari type vehicle. The name of this place is Art and Speed. I see that. Let me walk in here, let me turn this camera off. Hold on. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Man himself. Man, I'm coming in here. Just look, I'm just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man, if you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man, and yeah, enjoy those enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video. Okay, y'all, so I just got the graces, man. I just got the graces. I can go in here and record. I'm gonna turn this headset off because I don't wanna go in here with the headset on my head. I think that look kind of crazy on camera for me. But yeah, she told me, she said, hey, feel free to YouTube away. So I'm gonna go in here. I told her I was a YouTuber, and I just want to get her permission first before I come in here and just start recording, putting cameras in people's faces. I ain't want to make nobody uncomfortable. They do have some music going on in here, so I'm gonna try to talk loud. If not, then I'm gonna have to just put music over it. But this is it. Art and Speed, 141 Eastley in Collierville, Monday through Friday, 10 to 5. She said the cars that have the green stickers on them are for sale. But you got a 53 Corvette, 127 or 300. It's number 127. It's crazy. Trans Am, this gotta be like a 80, 81 maybe. No, it might be 78, 79. I ain't sure. But she said the one with the green stickers on them are for sale. I don't know what this is over here. I'm gonna have to put some, it's a 70 GTO Ram Air. One of only 174 made. I don't know what number that one is. I don't even know what this is. Oh. It's a Chrysler motor in it though. Chevy with a Chrysler motor. GTO. 175 for it. Bronco. 194. 76 Bronco. So I guess I'll catch him when I come back. Got a nice little setup in here. Man, this is crazy. I'm taking a picture of this. Hold on, y'all. Let me get my phone in there real quick. Let me stand up here. Yeah, they got this music on. I hope y'all can hear me without the music. So I'm gonna go down this road first because it's too many cars here. Look at this. Man, look at this. Nice, boy. So you got this bit right here. And I heard that they do a lot of these cars for people like from overseas and stuff. Like they just hey, I got 140 on the day. 19,000 miles? Ooh. Man, we're gonna have to come in here and get some more in-depth footage of this because there's no way that I'm gonna be able to do this. That I'm gonna be able to do all of this in just one setting. So this is probably gonna be this video gonna have parts probably. Cover Monza. The motor in the back on this one, right? No, it ain't. I thought it was. Yes, it is. It's the motor right here. That's crazy. Boy, I'm in heaven, dog. Ooh. 6 to 8. This one for sale. 67,000. 679. This is a bad boy. Everything's so clean right here. Man, we ain't gonna look on this side yet. We gonna strictly stay right here in this little lane. Go down and come back up. On 32. It's an 80. This thing clean. It look like it's in mint condition. What it smell like? Yep, it smells just like the Trans Am, man. It smells just like the Trans Am we had, man. I guess it's just the scent of those cars and the leather that's in there. This the car. I showed y'all this. I had to show y'all this car on my this the car I showed y'all on my what's it called? On my oh my god. On my DoorDash sightings. So they bought this car. Or either he put it in here for them to if y'all go back on my DoorDash sightings, man, y'all will see this car on there. I don't know what year this one is. But it's for sale though, 27. You got a programmer in there. I don't know what this is about. Keys in there. I don't know what year this Camaro is. Got a double in there. This is probably somebody's car. Like a key fob in there, so it might be push start. I don't know. Boy, this is crazy. I'm gonna FaceTime my wife. But this is crazy, dog. Wait a minute, 6 minutes. I don't know where this is. This is 6 to 8. It's for sale. No, it's sold. Ooh, man. The lady said that the car's kind of get scrunched up in the back, so Firebird. Not sure what year it is. Low rider. Look like it got them switches on it too. Man, this is crazy, dog. I'm in love with this right here. You got, I got air ride. See, I see the air ride controller right there. 120. I don't know what year it is. San Paulo though. 60. It's a 60 something. I don't know. I don't know these years, like how to determine them. But I know some of them be having little things right here on the front. So I don't know. This thing here got some drag radials on it, look like. This thing for sale, 38, 74. I wonder if this truck got a V8 in it. That guy might come back in here. They got a 5.3 in it. He might come back in here. He was helping some guys out there, man. He might come back in here and This truck for sale. How much they want for this truck? Man, 18,000, 19,000. Art and Speed is proud to have worked on this car. What's this? Oh, it's a Bronco. Rhino line Bronco. Can y'all pick? Yeah, y'all can pick that up on the camera. It's Rhino line inside and out. How you doing? I'm all right. No, actually, well, I'm just looking around really. I spoke with the lady. I told her I was a YouTuber. Yeah. So, and I actually seen y'all's business when I was over there picking up my flooring one day. Yeah. And I said, I gotta get back over here because y'all had some other antiques outside, and I was like, I gotta get over here. So she told me to just YouTube away and told me everything that had the green tag on it was for sale and
yeah, just say nice stuff. Things.
Yeah, oh man, I can't think of anything else to say. I'm speechless right now.
Oh, I'm sorry I messed up your...
Oh, no, you're fine, You are good.
Yeah, there's a lot to see in here.
Yeah, exactly. I think that one was outside. Yeah, the brown one.
We're selling all over the world.
Right, that's what the guy was telling me. He was like people from all over Dubai and everything coming here and...
Camaro right there is getting ready to go to 100.
The red one? The black one?
Not the turquoise or crimson, but the red one right after that. Not the one with the hood up.
Oh, okay. So
red C28
is that the car that was up here for sale?
Up here.
It was on right at Bellhousing Road.
Yeah.
That's the same car?
I got it from him.
Yeah. I seen that car because I actually did a video on that car.
It wasn't bad, but it needed some help. So we upgraded it.
Okay.
Cleaned it up.
And it's going